we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty vacuum cleaner. List number 1. ORECK XL Commerk IL Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The ORECK XL Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a commercial-grade vacuum that offers all the power and performance you expect from an ORECK. This versatile upright makes it easy to keep your business clean. It gets up close to cabinets and baseboards and fits easily under most furniture, clothes racks, chairs, and desks. It can be used on all surfaces including carpet, wood, laminate, and tile with no manual height adjustment. Weighing about 9 pounds, it's lightweight and covers a 12-inch wide area. List number 2. CRAFTSMAN CMXEVBE 17,595 16-gallon 6.5 peak HP wet/dry vac. The CRAFTSMAN 16-gallon wet/dry vac, featuring our most powerful 6.5 peak HP motor, is the ideal solution for tackling large cleanup projects in the garage or on the job site that need the most power. Large-scale renovations, builds, or floods are an easy task for this large shop vacuum. This wet-dry vac includes a card nozzle, utility nozzle, and wet nozzle. Also included is a large 2-1/2-in diameter hose with added dual flex that resists kinks and crushing. List number 3. HOOVER WINDTUNNEL 3 Max Performance Vacuum Cleaner. The HOOVER WINDTUNNEL 3 Max Performance Pet Vacuum is designed to tackle any busy household with kids and pets. With specially designed pet tools and powerful WINDTUNNEL 3 technology, this vacuum removes stubborn pet hair on carpet and hard floors while tackling dirt and debris in every corner and crevice. The 34 power cord gives you the freedom to vacuum any large room without replugging. And when you're done vacuuming, simply empty the debris with a convenient bottom release dirt cup. List number 4. VACMASTER 1101 Heavy-Duty Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The full-size VACMASTER 12-gallon wet/dry vacuum is designed to tackle the toughest projects that the home, shop, or job site can throw at you. The 12-gallon tank offers plenty of room for big messes, and the high-performance 5.5 peak HP plus motor makes sure the tank gets filled, whether it's with sawdust from the shop or drywall from the job site. With its unique flat power head design, you have a place to conveniently store tools so they are easily accessible when needed. The onboard hose, power cord. List number 5. Workshop Wet/Dry VACS Vacuum. This professional-grade stainless steel wet-dry vacuum cleaner outperforms the toughest of conditions. The ergonomic handle, swivel casters, and oversized rear wheels makes this heavy-duty wet-dry vacuum maneuverable through rough terrain, while the stainless steel drum construction cleans up easily for a professional appearance. The storage bag on the push handle keeps all accessories within reach while the cart system reduces bending and reaching, making your work quicker and easier.